In the new Smart, remove the rain light sensor, the multifunction camera and the rear view mirror. First, set the ignition key aside. With a suitable tool, loosen the trim behind the rear view mirror. Take it off gently and disconnect the electrical connector. We continue with the retaining clip of the rain light sensor. Unclip it on both sides using a suitable tool. Remove the sensor and disconnect the electrical connector. Now you come to the multifunction camera. First, disconnect the connector. Then release the catch hook with an appropriate tool. You can then remove the camera. Important: when reassembling, don't forget to calibrate the camera. The last removal is the rear view mirror. Press it down carefully. That's it. The installation of the components is carried out in the reverse order.